Red Bull KTM factory racing rider Jorge Prado will sit out round 7 of the 2026 AMA Supercross Championship in Arlington, Texas this weekend. That coming from a press release from Red Bull KTM factory racing. No surprise there. It continued to say, Prado will continue his recovery after crashing heavily in the final qualifying session at Seattle, sidelining him for the remainder of the event in order to undergo further evaluation on his right shoulder. Now, if you remember, in qualifying, he crashed, ended up making it to, was it a heat race or something like that? Tried to end up racing and then pulled off, and we didn't see him for the rest of the night. And this was him after the crash, obviously being looked at by the Alpine Stars medical crew. And obviously, last year, shoulder injury ended his Supercross season. Not exactly what you want to see with him, especially with how he's been going. I mean, podium at A1, fastest in Glendale and Seattle in qualifying. He looked really good the last few weeks, competitive, and obviously, he's on a factory ride. He's a factory rider, world champion. He should be a contender for, wins, podiums, championships, supposedly at some point. And even with missing the last race, he's still 10th in points. Not exactly a really bad showing for him this year. I mean, you lose a whole round, there's 25 points you're not supposedly getting, or any points you're getting. So not horrible for him. And like I said, he's been showing really good speed. Qualifying, he's looked super fast. Whole shot's been getting, consistently good. And it's kind of sad to see. The press release continued saying, quote, while no major injuries have been determined, the 4-time world champion will take a week off his KTM 450 SXF factory edition as a result of excess swelling and irritation in his shoulder joint, prioritizing his health with the goal of returning for the Daytona Supercross on February 28th. Now, Ian Harrison, the racing team manager, saying, quote, following Jorge's crash in qualifying at Seattle, he had his right shoulder checked out, which he has injured previously. While there are no major injuries that have been found, other than the excessive swelling and irritation in the region, it has been decided that Jorge will take a week off the bike, and his goal is to be back for Daytona if he is in a position to do so. We are not in a title fight with Jorge, and his health is the absolute priority. With some more therapy, I am sure he will be back and competitive again as soon as he is ready. I mean, it makes sense. If you're not in the title fight, why not? Take the week off, rest up. I mean, for all intents and purposes, they're probably looking at him being more of a motocross competitor. I mean, being a 4-time MXGP world champion, motocross should be where he shines. And he's looked really good on the KTM after switching over from the horrible year last year that was the Kawasaki fiasco, whatever you want to call it. He's looked good. I mean, obviously this year, and Supercross has gone better for him. Not that the last one really lasted all that long, but you can never tell. I mean, if you made the whole season, where would he fall? Who knows? I'd like to see him back and see where he goes. Especially Daytona is going to be a little more of that hybrid track. See where he falls in that. But on his own Instagram, on his own X, Twitter, whatever you're looking, 3 hours ago, saying, quote, it's time to rest this weekend and work so that the shoulder inflammation goes away and allows me to resume my training as soon as possible. Very motivated to keep growing in Supercross and continue learning during this season. Now, who knows? That kind of sounds like he hasn't been back on the bike and probably won't be on this week. Don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure. But if he's taking time away and hoping time to rest, hopefully he can be back for Daytona, because he has been. He's been fast. He's been qualifying well. He's been getting good starts. He's been, running up front where he should be and looking really good after the switch over to, or back to, whatever you want to call it, to KTM. So hopefully, he can rest up this weekend, get that shoulder healed or, better, closer to 100%, come back for Daytona and, continue the run he was on of being up towards the front. So I'm going to leave you guys a comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.